Savitri. I'm from Chennai. I'm a recent BE graduate from St. Joseph's Institute of Technology, 2024 passed out. I joined QSpiders on April 15th, 2024. So in QSpiders, I chose Java programming, Java full stack development. As I'm from an electronics background, I had no knowledge on programming previously, but after joining QSpiders, I learned SQL programming, Java programming, and web technology. Not only as learning the basics, but here, because of the excellent teaching skills of my trainers, I was able to get the clear understanding of what I learned here. And in addition to this, we have 1 hour of presentation each and every day, which helped me to learn the things effectively day by day. After that, weekly here we have mock interviews, which help me to prepare for the interview. Actually, if we attend the mock interviews, we don't have to spend much time for preparing the interview when interview got scheduled. And here also I got more number of interviews scheduled to me. So this is my journey in QSpiders. So here I learned a lot of technologies with the practical concepts. So